Valentine's Day is just around the corner, you know. I call this one heartbeat hearts. This is a very simple heart shape to make, and it looks great when you put it with others. I will show you at the end. But to do this, it was really quite simple. I used 3.5-inch squares. I needed 2 of them of a solid print. This is called, this fabric collection is called Affinity from Benartex, and we will link to that in the description. I need 2 solid white squares, again 3.5 inches, and then I need 12 half square triangles when we join those 2 together. Now remember, you're not going to, if you start with 3.5-inch squares here and try to make half square triangles, they're going to be smaller than 3.5. So when you make these HSTs, start with 4-inch squares, okay? 4 inch of your fabric, 4 inches of your white, marry them together and cut your half square triangles. So at that point, it's really just about, you know, making this look right. So I start at the top, and I like to think of this as a mountain peak. Right there, we make 2 mountain peaks. And then the second row is where we use our solids of the print, 1 to start and 1 to finish. And then I just need to add my triangles. And yeah, I always look at a picture of this or whatever I did before, because when you do a few of these, your brain starts to go, what? Does that work? And then, as you can tell, the heart has to come down to a point. So I start using my half square triangles to point downward here. Like this. The inside of the heart is white, so I'm pointing the whites in. And then the final point of the heart is down here, and that's where our solid whites come into play right there. So like on any of these quilt blocks that we do, especially when they're out of these squares, I join them together in pairs. So I join these and these, these and these, these and these, right? Then I join them into squares. I will join these to these, making a nice little square, these to these, making a nice little square, and so on and so forth, okay? After we do that. Then I'll join these 2 together, those 2 together, and the top to the bottom, and then, friends, you have got it, because I want you to see what these look like in multiples. I've done several of these, and I laid them out in different ways thinking, what would look best? Do I want to keep my colors together? I'm going to do the purple here. Do I just keep putting them together like this in different colors? And they're like, I don't know. I think I could actually stagger them like this. I think I like that much better. Let me pull these down just a little bit. So if I were putting this together as a giant quilt, I think I would do something like this. You can do as many colors as you like. So don't think a heart has to be red. It does not, because in fact, I think I like this color and that color even more than I like the red, strangely enough. But I hope you will give this a try, Heartbeat Hearts. It's a great beginner project. So this is a good one to practice on. I hope you will like us and follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and happy Valentine's Day when it comes up, and also happy sewing.